back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disconnect Wi-Fi network in our oppo phone device. Guys, you have connected any Wi-Fi and you want to disconnect. So friends, how can you disconnect your Wi-Fi network? In this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, like the video. So guys, now time to start video and we will on phone setting to disconnect Wi-Fi network. Then guys, you can see your Wi-Fi setting. Guys, tap here. Then which network guys you have connected, you want to disconnect, you can disconnect your local phone. Okay, right side this icon guys, tap here. Hence you can see remove this network setting. Hence you will have to tap here. Then guys, this network will disconnect to your phone. You cannot use guys this network setting. You want to use guys, you will have to connect again. So like that guys, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.